Good morning, everybody. It's October 3rd, and we're about to do another cutout. It's quite odd to be doing cutouts this late in the year because it's kind of cool. But we're in this old building here. The owner of the building said it was built in 1902. Duke Power's got to replace this pole right here, and they won't mess with it until we get these bees out of here. So here again with Debbie Horn and John Lane, and Chad Schreiner is going to be meeting us, and the bees are going into this hole right here. They're up in this wall, so we're going to cut this out and move it so that Duke Power can come in and handle their business. So I believe this is the first time I've ever worn jeans under my bee suit, so hope you guys enjoy the video.
Are you filming yet?
Right. Not yet.
All right, go ahead and start filming the
around this corner,
rubber banding.
and around that corner. And she'll do one at the top, one at the bottom. These are a little bit loose, but
Are those
yeah.
cut that off?
I did. I just stopped it for now.
Do you want to do the filming and I can do the cutting? Or
It doesn't matter. I can put the tripod at you if you want to.
no, I don't. I just was
Okay.
jumped on it. I'm just trying to be helpful to you. Ate up with damn termites, I'll tell you that much.
Do you have a pen? You can twist your...
Put a rubber band on.
Old comb.
That Debbie gets
Shake
switches.
these in the bucket.
Is that what we do with those?
Shake them into the hive.
What do we do with these?
Is that camera filming?
Yeah, I think so.
Right, you're right.
I spotted Jack's queen the other day.
I hit you. She's trying.
Let's go real slow at this. So I don't know where she's at. She can't go far.
Don't want to be here.
Put it in this one, catch it. See, she's got eggs all the way down here. This is full of eggs.
John.
Hold it till I say, ah.
I didn't. I've only got it by the bottom, so.
Debbie, can you look at the other side and see if she's on?
I don't see one. I don't see her.
All right, this is full of eggs, fresh eggs she's just laid.
All right.
Dad, you keep looking with that queen.
I'm watching, sir.
You got a queen clip in your hands?
That is some hard.
Then stay out of it. Come back in towards them a little bit, maybe. It's
Huh?
hard all the way down.
It's old.
Right
If you
up
get the
one
hold of
piece
it, I
tongue.
can cut for you. But not.
Try not to shake it
All right.
too much.
Right. Lots of burden behind it.
I'm going to reach right over your shoulders. Just hold it till I say release. Release.
All right, no queen. I don't see
Did not
one.
see her yet.
They jumped on my hand.
Y'all, there's no drones either.
I've noticed that. I haven't seen a single
they've
drone.
kicked them out.
They're starting to want to move up here.
They're starting to get thicker up.
Now, how we put it
Go ahead, let's go ahead and remove this.
they
This
will,
is probably
they
old.
create this cone so it's
I
slightly
tried pulling
tilted
on
up.
it. It's just so thick and heavy.
And when we put it
Pull
in,
it,
pull
put
it,
it in
right?
the same way it came out. Oh, wow. So I got this frame filled up. Look, just because they land on you don't mean it's like,
Yeah.
thank you. I like this crisscross idea because it creates a cage, and
You got it. Here, you hold it.
when you've got
I want to taste it. Huh?
Oh no.
Whew. That is, no, you didn't drink.
I almost hit. It's beautiful.
Are you framing? Got it?
Yep. See any queen on there?
I did not on this side. Chad said he didn't see one on the back side.
The bees
I'm
on
going
you.
to spin this around
Yeah, like,
and record what you're doing for a little bit. Size okay on that? It fit in there good?
Yep, perfect. Yep. Ready, Freddy.
Hey, Landon, watch that knife going through that cone.
Yes, sir.
And just in case she's on the other side of it.
Hey, Chris.
Ready to come out?
Are you back videoing?
Yes.
I know when you got it.
I've got it.
All clear. I don't know where you're at. Got it.
Hard to tell. I got a lot of bees on this side.
Well, the good thing is I got honey on my hands, so they're like, oh, honey.
Another set of eyes, Debbie. He said there's a clump of bees over there.
You can put that aside. We got another small piece that will. Thank you. We got another small piece.
Set that just up on top. It's got some honey in it. It might help draw the bees over to there.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can wrap that one up, right?
Okay, yep.
Right here. One day I'll be brave and cool like you.
What are you talking about? With no gloves?
Yeah.
Oh.
I know it's better.
It's, well, you know, it's all part of however comfortable you are. Whenever you're ready, you'll be ready. And, you'll know it. I had the same experience when I watched our,
What about that chunk that he had to drop in there for I don't know why?
it's probably just because it's loaded with bees.
There she is. There she is. Flip, 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 flip.
Got her. You got her. She's in.
The clip ain't shut.
You got a bee in it probably.
Get that bee out of there.
You got her bee between your fingers.
Alright, now we can
Just smash her and get her out of there. Did you see the queen in there?
Yes. She's right here at the top.
There, girl. Get off the phone. There. Got it. All right, guys, I'm done.
Hold on. Let me see if I can get her on camera here.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Right. Got her butt stuck out right there in the bottom right corner, climbing up. There she is.
Wow.
All right, Chadwick. She's in there.
smile, Chad. She's nice. That's a big fat queen.
Hey, Lennon,
Yes, sir.
why don't you all pick that table up, set that table close right there where you're at, lay that queen in that box.
Mm-hmm. Let them come to the hive.
I replaced the queen trap, but you know.
That way you won't have to mess with it when you come back and pick it up.
John, hold that up to the camera before you stick it in there.
See, once you get the queen in the cage, your bees are going to smell her pheromone. They're going to start coming to where she's at. That's the reason these bees are already on this cage. Now what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to turn the wax down so they can eat and release her. Probably by tomorrow this time, they'll have her released out of here. Mm-hmm. Now what I'm going to do is separate these right here. And I'm going to stick this.
Can you rubber band it, stick it behind the rubber band so she don't fall?
I think what I'm just going to do is just right between these
Pinch her.
frames with these rubber bands right here.
Okay.
Because I don't want it to drop. I
Right.
want the frames to support it. Just like that right there. We can leave a frame out because of this gap.
There's this in the bottom. There's
I don't
plenty
have
on
that.
this one.
Now what happened there, her pheromone will fill this box up and the bees are flying around. This is where they're going to orient to. So we're going to leave that.
They didn't
Crack
have
a
a
little
lot
bit.
of stores, did they?
No, they did not.
Want a piece of stick or something?
Feel late if you want.
They're going to hold it up.
Oh, okay. You're gonna leave that.
here. Now her pheromone will start escaping up here. Now what we need to do here, if y'all want to take your hand, you can vacuum these bees, or you can take your hands and just pull most of them real lightly, let them crawl on your hand, and put them right in here. Another thing you can do, you can take that queen in that cage. If you'll hold her in your hands like this, her pheromone will transfer to your hands, and when you put it up there, a lot of the bees will come to your hand. So
Maybe because of my glove, I can't get too many of those.
Oh, the Storm Command. Okay.
So it kind of gives it
Oh, the top closed.
yeah, I made y'all's a little bit different than that. I just set that right in front, or set it right there on the table, and they'll crawl out of it.
You got that queen stuff right in there, don't you?
Yep.
Okay. I won't try to stuff another thing.
And people thought bees were stinging. People thought honeybees were stinging.
That's a myth.
Yep, nobody running around here screaming. I think I'm the only one that got a sting.
Did you get
stung?
stung?
No, sir.
Hannah didn't even get stung.
Mine usually come from mistakes. That's
For yours.
That's fine. You didn't bring the clubs.
Oh yeah, that's right.
All right, guys, what y'all think?
It was awesome. Thank you. Cool. Let's you want to do a group picture? Yeah, let's do a group picture. Do you have a timer on your thing? Yeah, I don't know how to work with that. You want to do yours?